Right guys, another day in the markets. I'm looking for gold shorts today. Let me show you and tell you why. Right, so the gold market had a large sell-off of over 800 pips, and this is purely down to there being a ceasefire in the Middle East. So gold traded higher on the escalation. And as you know, I did mention Trump is aggressive on the front end. However, that is just a negotiating tactic, and we have obviously had that sell-off on gold to the downside. Now for myself, all I'm looking for is just a continuation move in the market on gold. So let me quickly show you what I'm looking for as an entry. Now, entry-wise, there's two options. Either you go short right now, the fact that we've taken out these highs, a nice little bearish reversal there in the 15-minute, or alternatively, you go ahead and you wait for these lows to get taken. All that's affirming to you is the market is reversing to the downside, and you can obviously just wait for some sort of reversal to the downside. You're then going to essentially wait for the retest of those lows, and you can go ahead and get short from there once the market obviously reverses. So either way, I'm looking at around 80 pips stop, but more importantly, over 350 pip of downside potential. So you want to remind yourself that a lot of these moves are headline dependent at the moment because the market is so sensitive to what has happened in the Middle East. You had on Monday the market gapping higher and rallying higher because of the strikes that the US took on Iran. Today, Wednesday, middle of the week, you've already got gold 700 pips lower and looking for that continuation because there has been a full ceasefire in the Middle East. The last thing you got to ask yourself is, are you prepared for any sort of breach of the ceasefire? Because that is obviously going to cause a big reversal in the market. So don't obviously bet the farm on the trade thinking that it's perfect. However, go into the market knowing well and truly that things can change at any minute. Right, good luck. That's what I'm looking for today.